topic for today is comparing fractions. Comparing fraction means comparing their values to find which fraction is greater and which one is smaller. We have two methods for it. First method, take a fraction, suppose 1 by 2 or 3 by 5. Now convert the given fraction to like fractions. That means we have to make the denominators same. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. So let's take 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Now what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 2 and 5 is equal to 10. Now 1 by 2, we have to make the LCM as the denominator as 10. So 1 by 2, if we divide and multiply with 5, and 3 by 5, if we divide and multiply by 2, we get as 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. So now we have got like fractions. Now we can see the fraction with greater numerator is greater. Therefore, the numerator greater is 6. So, the fraction 6 by 10 is greater than 5 by 10. That is, 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 2. Now, the second method is make the numerator equal and then compare denominators. After that, fraction with a smaller denominator is greater. So let's take the same fraction again, 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. Now we have to make the numerators equal. So what we can do is, to make this numerator as 3, we can multiply 3 by 3 to it, which becomes 3 by 6. And now 3 by 5 will be same. Fraction with smaller denominator is greater. So denominator 5 is smaller than 6. Therefore this fraction 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 6. So 3 by 6 originally was 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 was same. Therefore 1 by 2 is smaller than 3 by 5. The result is same as before. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel.